Navigate to the Help button on the bottom left corner of your screen.
Click Oxford Insights Support to access the knowledge base.
Scroll down for access to our library of resources that includes FAQs, tutorial videos, how-to articles, and step-by-step guides for commonly requested instructions. You can also use the navigation menu at the top of the screen to access specific resources, find the blog and webinars, or book a demo with one of our sales representatives. If you're having technical problems that are not addressed with any of these resources, click the Technical Support button in the top right corner to submit a ticket to our helpful web team. You can either call the provided 855 number to reach support via the phone within the team's hours of operation, or fill out the online ticket. You may also be alerted to known system-wide technical issues by a notification within the Oxford Insight platform or an SMS sent to the phone number you provided.